All right guys, you're in luck. My dad's out here with us today. We're gonna cover the seat for the old truck. So we've got it up on the table, and he's gonna show me how to do the hog rings. So he had a good idea. Go ahead and hit these with some black spray paint while we wait. So I'm gonna do that over in the corner while we get the bottom started. Alright, so Dad's pulling off the final little hog ring on the back. I'll take y'all with us here. So we can take the brackets out so we can move, you know, have a little more adjustment there. Alright guys, so being that this doesn't have the typical hog ring band around it, I guess, we're going to double it up through the leather vinyl stuff, and that way we can squeeze it and it'll hold. Alright, so we are going to take and drill a few holes in the cover here because there's a metal frame around the bottom. Damn, this is the thickest metal ever known to man. God dang. Real good. Alright guys, so we have the back, we have what, 3 or 6 on the back. We got 2 on the sides, both sides. We got the back feeling good. So now we're going to start messing with the front. So like I said, I'm going to take and drill some holes across the way so we can start getting the front stretched this way and keep it looking good moving forward. Alright guys, you ready for the big reveal at the bottom? Woo! Look how nice. And then as time goes on, these wrinkles down here will work themselves out, and I'll also hit it with some steam here later. So, alright. While he lays the back out, I'll grab the back piece. Now, this one will be a little easier because up here, yeah, it has these little hooks here, or this little, what would you even call that? I don't know. Whatever this stuff is, it's got it run around the whole outside. So we'll be able to hog ring to it much easier than we will the other one. So, all right, any special tips you can give us on doing the back? Like with this front pull tight? This is
let's get some across the top and we'll pull it from the back.
all right, we'll go to time lapse. Alright guys, this one's a little different, mainly because of this extra ring here, or extra part. You can take, actually just clamp it, just pull them like this, and then you can work through and clamp them. Oop. Hold on. Alright, so we're not having to poke it through. We can actually just take and clamp it, and as we push down, it pokes through the hole there, or pokes through the canvas. So that makes it much easier. All right. Boom. That looks nice.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Cool. Yeah, and the top is all good. Bottom's good across there. No weird pulls or anything. Awesome. All right, we'll get it put back together.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's it. Hey, I want to thank my dad for helping me do this. I've probably had this seat cover for 3 or 4 years and have driven it in the truck just laying on the seat for, I don't know, probably a year and a half. Was just always nervous to tackle the upholstery side of it. Didn't want to tear it up because I think I gave like $230 for it. So I definitely didn't want to tear up that because I'm cheap. But what I would suggest is that everybody at least try this once. It's probably $400, $450, maybe $500 to have a seat cover put on your truck. So buy this. If you end up tearing it up, I'm sure an upholstery shop could still use the piece and just repair where you messed up or move around it. And plus, we don't have any money, and me and my dad got to spend a couple hours together. So give it a shot. It's not going to hurt anything. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming, and you can find us over on Instagram at Narcoleptic. Thanks.